Do you also have a 3D printer and you want to know how to service it? Watch this video till the end to know how to service your 3D printer. To be specific, I own a A1 Mini from Bambu Lab. I'll be servicing it today. This is going to be the first service that I do of this printer since I bought this. It's been almost 3 months since I've using this 3D printer, and let me tell you guys, this printer is epic. And you should know that because it's Bambu Lab. We'll kick off with the build plate clean because that's the essential part. Welcome to my kitchen, and this is the part where the 3D printing service actually starts. This part is called cleaning the build plate. Yes, your build plate needs to be super clean. Get rid of that oil, dust and whatever you know. Build plate where बहुत ज़्यादा residue जम जाता है after 3D printing it for the whole week. Yes, you heard it right. I service my printer every fucking damn week, and that is important. Yeah. So I'll be cleaning this plate. Here's what you'll need to clean your build plate. Oh fuck. Here's what you'll need to clean that dirty ass build plate of your printer. This super Scotch Brite, I got it from D-Mart. 70 रुपए के 3 मिले भाई. This is the best thing you can get to clean your build plate. इससे build plate और PCBs बहुत अच्छे साफ होते हैं. Coming in next, Vim from Bihar. Vim की सस्ती copy, but this will do the job. We'll start off by pouring some liquid detergent on the sponge. Now scrub off all that dirt on your build plate. Make sure to clean all the sides, fronts, backs, corner, each and every fucking inch. Rinse the build plate very well. Make sure to repeat this process because it's dirty. And you're ready. Just wash the plate. हाँ भाई, मैं प्लेट धो लेता हूँ. Yes, I am a self-dependent बच्चा आदमी जो बोलना चाहो. We'll let it dry for a couple of minutes. Until then, let's service our printer. Make sure to turn off your 3D printer before starting the cleaning procedure. Use isopropyl alcohol to clean the Y-axis guided rail. This will help you take off all the old residue of the old lubricants or grease that you have used earlier. All the leftover oil will be easily wiped off while using the isopropyl alcohol. Move the build plate when necessary according to your comfort. Make sure to clean off all the sides and corners of the guided rails, even the top part with the isopropyl alcohol. If needed, spray it again, not on the 3D printer but on the cloth. Putting the spool holder back to its original position, we'll be using a lube provided by the Bambu Lab, which actually comes with the Bambu Lab 3D printer itself. Spread this lube across the Y-axis guided rail and do the same for the other side. I'm using a zip tie to spread the lube and to get into those tight spaces. Make sure to give the build plate a little bit of movement. Now let's repeat this process for the back side as well. We'll apply the lube on the back side of the Y-axis guide rail. Let's home our 3D printer to lubricate the Z-axis. Again, I am using a microfiber cloth with isopropyl alcohol, which will help me remove all the oil, dirt and residue in the first place. You have to use a wire tag or some thin object in order to apply the oil on this part. Remember, oil and grease are two different things. Don't mix them up. You can also apply some oil on this wire tag in order to get into those tight spaces. Now let's home our 3D printer. Now make sure you don't move the Z-axis with your hands. Use the Z-axis controller to move the print head up and down. Now let's open the Z-axis top head cover in order to grease the stud inside. You can use a microfiber cloth, cut it into strips, copy the motion as mine and make sure not to apply much pressure. You can also use WD-40 in order to clean the stud. We'll be using Bambu Lab lubricant grease, which comes with the printer when you purchase it. I have to use a screwdriver in order to spread the grease evenly across the whole stud. Now we have isopropyl alcohol in the house again to clean the X-axis linear guide rail. We'll repeat the same process we did for the y-axis guide rail, this time on the x-axis. Make sure to clean the bottom part as well because there is a bottom part. Many of the beginners tend to forget that there is a bottom part to the guided rail. You can move the extruder a bit at the slow speed. Make sure you don't move it too fast. Now let us remove the purge wiper in order to get into those timing belts. That right there is me flexing my long and healthy hair. I'm again using the wire tag in order to get into those tight spaces and to loop them all. Try to move your printhead slowly, but you have to move it because you have to spread the loop all over the guide rail. Tighten the purge wiper and let us fix it onto the printer. Let us remove the hot end cover and the nozzle. Open these 3 screws on the heating element. This will help you get to those 4 little screws on the back of the heating assembly. Tighten these 4 screws in order to get those perfect finish and prints. Place back the nozzle, fix the nozzle properly, and we are good to go. Let us clean the heat bed, place the bed plate back on, place the top cover. Let us put our printer in calibration. Each and every part of this printer is serviced right now and it seriously needs calibration. Go to settings, maintenance, enter calibration and press start. Guys, in my knowledge, no other printer other than Bambu Lab does all this by itself. It has auto bed leveling, active motor, noise cancellation, vibration compensation, flow dynamics calibration. Can you imagine the smoothness, the finish we get on our 3D prints? Let us test if we have serviced our printer well enough to print a very fine layer. You can just have a look at that beautiful white PLA sheet it's printing for us, and it's so satisfying. If I missed out anything in this video, do drop them in the comments because I'm still learning. And if you like my efforts, do subscribe and drop a like and share it with someone whom this video will help.